Hi everyone, I'm Cheryl and welcome to the Sewing Room channel. Can you believe it? Christmas is just a few weeks away and I'm really excited. Now if you're putting your Christmas list together and you're not quite sure what you want to get everyone, I have a fantastic video that you can watch that'll give you all kinds of ideas, and it's called Sewing Christmas Gift Ideas. And the link is appearing right there up in the upper right-hand corner. And if you miss it, you can always check below your YouTube screen down there in the description section. Just expand that section open by clicking on that little arrow and you'll see the link right there. Now recently I went to St. George, Utah to go to Joann Fabrics and Crafts, and I went there because I needed some clothing fabric. But while I was there, I found lots of other goodies. So let's take a look at my latest shopping haul. This fabric right here is a brand that Joann carries. It's called Platitudes, and it's a plaid fabric. It's a polyester fabric. It's very soft. I love this fabric. I buy quite a bit of it every year because you can make a lot of clothing projects out of it. I also bought this stretch knit to use with this. I'm going to be making a poncho, but this poncho is different from some of the others that I've done. It's going to have a neck warmer attached to it to keep your neck nice and warm. So make sure you subscribe so that you can see how that project turns out. Ponchos are super easy to make. I like to buy a lot of my seasonal fabrics at the end of a season because you usually can get a much bigger discount on it. And this is a fall fabric that was from Joann Fabrics and Crafts, and it's in their fall seasonal section. And what I liked about it, it had these sort of burnt orange leaves all over it. It's really, really pretty. I think this would make an absolutely beautiful table runner. If you've been watching me for a while on YouTube, you know that I love panel fabric, and I couldn't resist this one. Although when I went into Joann's, they didn't have a whole lot left of this, but I just couldn't resist it. I make a panel fabric Christmas quilt every year. I have a lot of Christmas fabric at home all the time, but there are certain types that I was really running low on, and so I felt the urge to go buy some Christmas fabric. What I like is I use these as little accent fabric on different projects. So this is your peppermint candy. This looks like little candy cane pieces, really, really pretty. This type that I have right here, I'll probably use on drink coasters. I like to use large prints, and I'll even possibly use this on pot holders. Then I've got this little candy cane stripe also. I like stripes. They make great accent fabric. And then this I had previously bought for this last year, but I ran very low. I did use it a lot and I just loved it, so I bought some more. I also love to cross stitch, and I found this at Joann's. It's called Design Works, and then this is a kit that comes with your Aida cloth, your different colors of threads that you need, and also, of course, your instructions and the little sheet that shows the layout of all of the stitches. I can't wait to start on this one. So don't forget, the best time to buy seasonal fabric is at the end of that season. You can save 50, 60, 70, up to 80% off of the original price. So that's when I usually go in and buy it. Then I've already got my fabric ready for when that holiday season comes around again. Now, if you're interested in beginners sewing projects, check below your YouTube screen for those video links. So you're gonna scroll down, expand the description section open so that it's larger, and you will see all kinds of links listed down there to take you to a variety of beginners sewing projects. Now don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Make sure you go and check out my Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time, and happy sewing. If you like the Sewing Room channel, one of the best ways to show your support is to subscribe by clicking on that red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. And make sure you click on the bell so you receive notifications for all my new videos. I'm Cheryl, this is Manny, and this is Scotty. See you next time.